Do not check for spark with the spark plug removed. Do not crank the engine with the spark plug removed. The spark plug is on the left side of the snow thrower above the valve cover. If you need to check your spark plug to see if it's producing a spark, use a spark test tool. When changing the spark plug, beware that if the engine has been running, it will be very hot. Be careful not to touch the muffler. Let the engine cool before servicing the spark plug. Spark plug threads can seize on a hot engine. Check the spark plug once a season or every 25 hours of operation. Change the spark plug once a season or every 100 hours. To ensure proper engine operation, the spark plug must be properly gapped and free of deposits. Remove the spark plug boot and use a spark plug wrench to remove the plug. Visually inspect the spark plug. Replace it if there is apparent wear, or if the insulator is cracked or chipped. Replacing spark plugs is a cheap and simple way to make sure your snow thrower will start when you need it. Measure the spark plug gap with a feeler gauge. Correct as necessary by bending the side electrode. The gap should be set to 20 to 30 thousandths, or 0.60 to 0.80 millimeters. Check that the spark plug washer is in good condition and thread the spark plug in by hand to prevent cross-threading. After the spark plug is seated, tighten with a spark plug wrench to compress the washer.